0 is not a factor of,
That is true.
yeah, 0 is not a factor of any number. So if we make it correct, this is the true. 0 is not a factor of any number. Yeah. If we remove this note and we remove this 0, what we can now make it true? What we write here to make it true? 1 is a
Zero
1 is a factor of any number.
is,
Any number.
yeah.
Okay. Now let us come to next B part. So in B part, every non-zero number has plenty of number factors. Every
That is false.
non-zero number has,
One does not have a lot of factors on itself.
yeah. So 1 does not have. So every word is wrong here. That's why this is false, I think.
You see, some zero, some non-zero numbers have plenty of number factors.
Every non-zero number, yeah, that's why it is false. So this every,
It should be some.
yeah, some number, some non-zero number, yeah, that then it is true. Come to the next part, C part. 1 is the smallest factor
That
of,
one I got correct.
yeah, 1 is a small, 1 is the smallest factor of every number, correct. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Next, come to D part. This is true. D part is every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So the divisor. So factor means it is exact divisor. Factor means exact divisor. So this is also true. So every
I
factor,
don't really know. That's why I was confused. Is it which?
we can say like 48 and 48. 48 is divisor and it is exact divisor of this 48. So
Oh yeah.
every factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. So it can divide exactly. Therefore it is a factor. Therefore it is true sentence, true statement. Every non-zero number is the greatest factor of itself. Last part. Every non-zero number is the greatest factor of itself. So every non-zero number. Non-zero number means it may be start from 1 and it is the greatest factor of itself. Every non-zero number. this sentence is true. So can you explain why? What is the meaning of this statement?
Like it's saying like this is saying like every non-zero number is the greatest factor of itself. That is correct. If you see, if you do,
Like
if you
we take 32. Okay, so 32 is has greatest factor number itself. That is the meaning of this statement. We do not have here cannot include 0, except 0 all the number like 1 2 3. So greatest factor is the number itself. So every non-zero number, that means we cannot here take 0 as our number. So except 0 we can take any number, and the greatest factor of is the number itself. So this is the factor, because 32 has factor as 32 also. So greatest factor of 32 is 32, because more than 32 is not possible the factor in factor case. So this is the statement, that's why it is true. Next, question number 23. Write the first 4 odd numbers up to 10. After true false, question has changed. Write the first 4 odd numbers up to 10. Write first 4 odd numbers. Up to 10. So here you left the number 9, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 up to 10.
um,
So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3,
oh,
1,
I did 1, 3, 5, 7, not 9.
1, 3, 4, 4 odd numbers. So 4 odd numbers, I think your correct answer. This one is correct. No, this one is correct, but next 20. Question 24 you left.
No, I did it again.
Okay, in the next you have done 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 10. Write the sum of first 4 consecutive numbers. Write the sum of first 4 consecutive numbers. Correct. Consecutive numbers means the difference is 1. So first 4 consecutive numbers, taking from 1. So their sum is 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Yeah, their sum is 10. First 4 consecutive numbers. Correct. In question 25, B part. In 25th question, B part. Now you write 15. Correct. 13, 15, 17, 19. After correction you make it correct. Next part is estimate.
Yeah, I estimated 130 instead.
120. 63 plus 66, A part. So
I did first, like, I rounded 60 plus 70.
okay. Correct. Estimate is it is 129 and 129 is near about. Estimate answer is 130. Correct. Actual answer is 129 and estimated answer is 130. Correct. Then in the 27th question, there is a question mark. Which of the following represent 2 upon 3 parts? 2 upon 3 parts. Which is 2 upon 3 parts? So first one is shaded only 1 by 2 part. Second one is also shaded 1 by 2 part. And in C option, in the C option, it is 1/3 because 3/4 it is not also in. Which of the following represent 2 upon 3 part? And fourth option is
I tried looking for equivalent fraction, but none of them would be equivalent, so
equivalent. Yeah, 2 upon 3 part. Out of these 4 option in 20
was it supposed to be D?
D part. D part is, I think, the part, the misprint should be there. I think there is one block should be small. This may be there in the book because 2 part is shaded out of 3 part. So 3 part is total should be there. So there is misprint in this question, I think. And 2 part is shaded. So 2 over 3 part is the shaded part. So D in that
No,
case.
there are four. There are four of them shaded, not three.
2 parts should be
There's three shaded.
we remove one part because 3 part total part is denominator. Total part should be in denominator, so 3 parts should be total there, but in problem the question has only 4 parts, so 1 part is I think misprint. So this question is misprinted question. So D option is correct in the case when the 2 part are shaded and total is 3 part is there. In that case, D part is correct. There is a small correction. Next, 28 is the shading part type question. And
Then those.
in 29th question, the C part, twenty-ninth question, correct, you correct it to the C part, okay. Then in 30th question, 5 over 10, 30th part, which is smaller? 31st, 5 over 10, which is greater? Okay. So in that case, you can write which is greater. Which is greater, 5 over 8 and
It's
5?
it's because whatever has more pieces, it is smaller, but which one has less pieces is larger.
Yeah, so the greatest here is 5 over 8. Correct. You make it correct after. Next, 32 is correct, 34, 35. In the question number 36, express the amount in words. This is correct. 37, question 37, 44 rupees, 40 paisa. Change into paisa. So in question 37, change into paisa. 40 rupees, 44 point. The question was given 44 rupees.
I
40.
forgot that this was in paisa, not in rupee.
You you will multiply by 100 to make it into paisa, so it is 4400 paisa plus 40 paisa, it becomes 44440 paisa. So in the beginning you write with the decimal, but after in the convert you may mention this p also in the final, and now you correct it correctly, express b c, correct, all are correct now. From rupees to paisa convert, you're correct now answer. Next is question 38, convert into kilometer into meter. So question 38 is, there is correction. In question 38 there is correction. There is a convert kilometer into meter. So there is given 17 kilometer. How many meter? 17 kilometer equal to how many meter?
17 followed by 2 zeros.
Why 20? 1 kilometer.
3 zeros.
Yeah,
3 zeros.
kangaroo hopping down. So kilo means 30. So 17,000 should be there. That's why it's wrong, and that's why other option is also wrong. B part is correct. You make write 30. C part also you write 30. D part you also write 30. Only A part you write only 20. So there is some mismatching. In 39th question, convert to 2065 into meter into kilometer and meter. In 39th question, so in the second time you make it correct, but here still convert 2065 meter into kilometer and meter. So we see that this is the meter is a smaller unit and we are converting into kilometer and meter, bigger unit we are converting. So kilo means three places. So 1, 2, 3, 3 places before is 2. So 2 kilometer we convert into kilometer, this 2, and rest we write as it is meter. 2 kilometer 65 meter. In decimal you can you have written this answer, and your unit you have had there meter. Meter is not correct there because meter is already given 2065 meter. There should be change other than meter. So kilometer we are converting, but our problem is saying convert into kilometer and meter. So both we can write. So before decimal there is kilometer and after decimal there is meter. So two parts is separate out in kilometer and meter. Two parts we.
Yeah, but then decimal also does show that like there's two different units.
Only if there is only convert into kilometer or not in meter, then we write in decimal answer.
Yeah. Like basically like in time or seconds.
Yeah, only bigger unit we are converting, smaller unit we are not writing. So in that case we use decimal sign. So your unit meter is here you had written there meter. That is incorrect. You have to written meter. After it, next 40th question, C and D part. 200 gram into decigram. So there is a given, and again convert 200 gram into decigram. DG means decigram. So how many decigram is there in 1 gram? 1 gram equal to how many decigram?
100 or 1,000?
We can say kilo, hecto, deca, then meter, then then deci, then centi, then milli. So there is the gram or meter or liter. So gram to deci we can say there is that multiply by 10, because from bigger to smaller when we come we multiply by 10, bigger to smaller we multiply by 10. From bigger to smaller we multiply by 10. So there is a gram, there is a deci. So gram to deci we multiply by 10. So multiply by 10 means 2000 decigram. So 1 gram equal to 10 decigram. So this kangaroo hopping down mountain drinking chocolate milk. This mnemonic help here to convert from gram to decigram, or meter to decimeter, or liter to deciliter. We have 10 multiply by 10. Next here is 24 kilogram. That is correct. 41 question is correct. 40 question number 42 is correct. 43 is correct. Now today's work I am sending you. So question number 44. Question number 44. Six-sided polygon is called. Six-sided polygon is called.
This like polygon is called
There are four options: triangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Triangle. Triangle is how many side?
3.
Three. Pentagon.
Is there what's it called?
Pentagon
Is
has
it hexagon? Is it?
in
Or the
in pentagon how many side?
5,
5. Hexagon
6,
6. Octagon.
8.
Yeah. So here is about 6 sided. So hexagon C option is correct. In the next question, there are 4 shapes given. 4 shapes given. So which shape is not a polygon? Which shape is not a polygon?
It's a circle.
Correct. Circle is not a polygon.
Circle dimension, 2-dimension one.
All are 2 dimension. All the 4 option are 2 dimension. But circle is made from curve.
But they're not, it's not a polygon.
Yeah, it is made from curve line. So it is not a polygon. Polygon means a straight line made by straight line. Using a straight line, that is polygon. And the free hand sketching, that is called circle. So circle is not a polygon. Circle is a we can say in circle, suppose if we increase the number of side in the circle polygon, then the circle has infinite small parts. So it's infinite sides polygon is called circle. So it is polygon, but it is infinite sides in that case. But infinite is a very large number. That is the deep, we can say, by deep thought our. But here in our standard, our grade, we can say circle is a curved figure, not a polygon figure. Question 46. Which of the following represent a line? There are 4 options. Which represent a line? 4 option is given.
50.
So line has both side at definite length. So both side has arrow in line. So line represent by B option. In question 47th, find the missing angle.
Um, 30. No, 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 no. 50, 60.
How you calculate 60?
So I first know that in a triangle it's always 180 degrees.
Correct. Sum of
And then I know that that's only 260s, which is only 120. So you're going to need one more 60 to make 180.
yeah, correct. So we subtract 120 from the 180, it gives us 60 answer. So this is the equilateral triangle. All angle are 60 degree in equilateral triangle. There is in the next figure rectangle, and here is 90, here is 90, and fourth angle is not given.
It will also be 90.
So what is the sum of the angle in this figure?
Because all of them will be 360.
360, and we subtract 3 times 90. So 3 times 90 means 270. We subtract from 360. So it gives us 90. Correct. Find the perimeter of a regular field whose length is 20 meter and breadth is 10 meter. Regular rectangular field. So there is a rectangular field given. 20 meter is length and 10 meter is width. Find the perimeter.
60.
Correct. The perimeter formula is 2 length plus breadth. So length plus breadth we add first. So then we multiply. $60 meters. In question 49, how many edges does a square pyramid have? How many edges does a square pyramid have? So on the bottom we can say there is a square. In a square pyramid, how many edges? So here is the vertex. This is the pyramid.
8.
Yeah, 4 in the bottom and 4 on the slant. So total is 8 edges. Next is draw the line of symmetry.
H has 2 lines of symmetry.
Yeah, one is vertical, another is horizontal. 2 line of symmetry.
I has 2 again.
I has also 2 because one is horizontal, another is vertical. J
Doesn't have 1.
J doesn't have. It doesn't have. It has 0 line of symmetry. We can say J has 0 line of symmetry. Next one is K.
K has 1.
Horizontal line of symmetry. That's why it's 1. L
L has 1.
0. L does not have 1.
Oh, 0, 0.
Yeah. How is midnight mentioned in time?
0, 0, column, 0, 0, AM.
So there means
0, 0, colon, 0, 0, AM.
okay.
If we see our alarm clock, that would be.
It is also known as
Or it would be just 12 o'clock AM.
2400. 2400. Have you seen this 24-hour clocks midnight time? Is it correct? 2400. 24 colon 00. Is it correct or?
It in my alarm clock it says 0, 0, 0, 0.
In alarm clock,
It's like a 24-hour one. That's why.
okay. Both have same meaning. But I think there is confusion. But 24 is also 00. Correct. Both are correct, I think. Next question is change the following into seconds. 20 minutes into seconds. Change the following into seconds. 20 minutes equal to how many seconds?
20 times 60.
20 times 60, so we get
120 part. It would be 1,200.
correct. 20 multiply 60, so 20 we separate out, 6 to the 12, so 1200 seconds is the answer. In the B part,
The next one is 320.
correct, 5 minutes means 5 into 60 plus 20, that gives us 320. In the C part, 30 minutes. In the C part, 30 minutes into seconds.
The 31 is 1,800.
Correct. 30 into 60, 20 we separate out, 3 6 is 18, so 1800 seconds. The next question 53. How many months in a year have 30 days? how many
Um,
months in a year has 30 days? Can you guess how many months in a year has 30 days?
3.
Name, give the name.
Um, um, April,
Correct.
September,
Correct.
and November.
So one is left. There is three. One is left.
Oh,
Last one is June. June. So these 4 months have 30 days. So April, February has 28 days. So 5 months now. 2 months. 7 months has 31 days. So I think this question was interesting. So 4 months April, June, September, November.
I forgot June.
Yeah. So how many day? How many months has 31 days? 31 days. How many months have? If the question is changed, how many months have 31 days in a year? Thirty-one days. How many months?
How many 31 days?
Yeah, number of month in a of 31 days. Number of month in of 31 days.
8.
1 month of February has 28 days. So how 28 days February?
Oh, seven.
So 7 months of 31 days are there, and 30 days month are only 4, and 1 month of 28 days is there. In this way, total is 12 months. The question was very simple, but it takes little time. It makes us confusion. Next, find the difference between place value of two nines in 79520986. Find the difference between place value of 9. So first we find place value of 9. So there is 2 9. This 9 has place value 9 followed by how many 0? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 9 followed by 6 0. And this 9 has how many? Its place value is 9 followed by 2 0 because it has 2 digit after. So what is the difference between these two numbers? So difference means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. So here we subtract. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 9 1. It gives the borrow. So 9. This become 9. This become 9. And here it gives the borrow. So it become 8. So 8 999 100. So this question about place value. Place value means 9 followed by all other digits we convert into zeros. Suppose this question has face value instead of place value. This question is what is the difference between the face value of two nines? Can you say? In that case, answer. What is the difference between face value of two nines? The number is same given. In that case, what we can say answer? What is the face value of this 9?
90.
Only 90. How you can say 90? The face value remain as digit itself. So 9 is there, so 9 is the face value. Here is the 9, so 9 is the face value. So face value of both the 9 is 9. And what is the difference between these two face values?
0.
Correct, 0. So this is the answer. So face value and place value, two things happen in this type of problem. Either problem is related with face value or place value. That is matters. So face value is very simple, but in only place value we convert in rest of the digit 0, and then according to question we can sort out the problem. Next question is find the difference between place value and face value of 7. So here is the number given 27650,934. So question is find the difference between face value and place value of 7. Find the difference between place value and face value of 7.
one 7.
Yeah, only one 7, but only this 7, it has place value. So place value, what is place value of 7?
7 million.
7, and then we write all other digit as 0. So 60 we write. Now what is the face value of 7?
7.
Correct. So we write at right side 7. And what is the difference? So we subtract here. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Or rest of the digit become 9 because they give the borrow. And in the last, the 7 becomes 6 because it also give the borrow.
Yeah.
So 6,999,993 is the final answer. So there, that's why it is 1 7 is given in the problem. So our next problem is, how many 6-digit number are there in all? How many? HM means how many 6-digit numbers? How many 6-digit numbers are there in all? How many 6-digit numbers are there in all? Can you guess how many 6-digit numbers are there in all? So 6-digit number start from 1 followed by 50. So this is the first 6-digit number. After increasing, it convert into 9996 times.
9.
This is the last largest 6-digit number. This is the smallest 6-digit number. So how many 6-digit numbers are there in all? So we include the both numbers. How many? What is the difference between these two numbers? So first we find the difference. So we subtract this smallest number from largest number. So after difference, it gives us this number. But here we also include this number. This 100,000 we include here. So we add this number also. So plus 1 we add here. So it becomes 900,000 we get. So there are 6-digit number 900,000. Total 6-digit number is 900,000. How many thousands make a crore? How many thousands make a crore?
Be the same.
So how many thousands make a crore? So
Should it be the same? But just with an extra 0?
1 crore has how many thousands? Because crore is larger number. Crore means 1 followed by 70. This is crore. And 1000 means 1 followed by 30. So 10,000 is the answer. Because these 30 of 1000, these 30 from crore, we cancel out. So this 10,000 left number is our answer. So we here can say 10,000 thousands make a crore. 10,000 thousands make a crore. Total 70 in crore is there. Question 9 is how many thousands make a lakh? I forget two questions between them. How many thousands make a lakh? So 1 lakh has how many thousands? Same thing here we can say lakh means 1 followed by 50. 100,000 is lakh and 1000 means 1 followed by 30. So we can say only hundreds difference is there. So 100,000 make 1 lakh. Question 8 is how many 7-digit numbers are there in all? How many 7-digit numbers are there in all? How many 7-digit numbers are in there in all? So 7 digits means 60 and 1. Starting number this one 7 digit and last one is this one 9,999,999. So how many digits? How many numbers are there? So same thing we subtract here 7 nines.
So basically 9 0 0 0 0 0 0.
Correct. 9 followed by 60. So we add this number also. So it becomes 9 then.
So what's the first one?
Okay, I am sending homework.
How many pages?
I am sending this page, rest of this page question, and we have done 11 questions from out of 19. So rest of question homework and one more page I can send.
Okay.
So this one there is 14 question is last 4 question in ascending order, and middle 4 question is descending order, and first 4 question are comparison. Is it visible? This page is visible?
Yes, it is. It is.
Okay.